In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name of Hotspot on iPhone. This process is quite straightforward and will help personalize your iPhone experience. The name of your personal hotspot is directly linked to your iPhone's device name. By changing the iPhone name, the hotspot name will automatically update, making it easy for you to manage connections. Now let's dive into the steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This app is typically represented by a gear icon and is usually found on your home screen. It serves as the control center for all your device settings. Once you tap the Settings app, you will be greeted with a list of options that allow you to customize your iPhone. This is where you manage everything from Wi-Fi to Bluetooth and notifications. Next, tap on General. This section contains a variety of settings that pertain to your iPhone's overall functionality. Here you can find options for software updates, storage, and more. As you tap on General, you will see further options that help you get into the specifics of your device. This step is essential because it navigates you to the area where you can change the device name, which will in turn update your hotspot name. Now tap on About. This is where critical information about your iPhone is stored, such as the software version, storage capacity, and device name. As you enter the About section, you will see a list of details. The device name is what we are interested in for changing the hotspot name. At this point, tap on Name. This is the section where you can directly edit the name of your iPhone. You will see your current device name displayed here. Changing this name is important because it will also affect how your device appears in various services, including AirDrop and Bluetooth. Now, enter the new name you want for your iPhone. This can be anything you choose, whether it's your name, a fun nickname, or something descriptive. Keep in mind that this name will not only identify your device, but will also be the name that others see when they connect to your personal hotspot. Personalization makes your device feel more like your own, so choose a name that resonates with you. Finally, tap Done. This action confirms the new name you have set. You will notice that your changes are saved immediately. The new name will now appear as the name of your personal hotspot when other devices are searching for available Wi-Fi networks. This little step saves you a lot of time later when you need to share your connection with friends or family. Your personal hotspot will now appear with the new name when other devices search for available Wi-Fi networks. It's important to note that changing your iPhone's name also impacts how it appears in AirDrop, Bluetooth, Find My, and even iCloud. If your hotspot is already turned on, connected devices may disconnect and will need to reconnect using the updated hotspot name. If another device still shows the old hotspot name, just turn Personal Hotspot off and back on. Alternatively, you can have the device forget the network and reconnect to it. This ensures that everyone sees the latest name. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the name of your hotspot on your iPhone. Thank you for watching and enjoy your personalized device.